Make this video show y'all, if you washed your car one day and then it rains when you wake up in the morning, you didn't know that it was gonna rain, you don't have to get your car washed no more. I'm gonna show you what you do. Go buy you one of these. This is called a shimmy. It soaks up the water, and then when it gets soaking wet, you just take it and you squeeze all the excess water out, and you keep using it until you through with your car. I did one side of the car already, as you can see. See? It rained this morning. I washed my car yesterday, didn't know it was gonna rain this morning. So I came out here. I didn't trip because I knew I had this. And this was gonna get my car right back super clean. And this is what it do. See how one side still look like it's been washed, like it ain't been even touched. These shimmies work magic. You see that? You see that? Look at the top. See that? Now, I'm gonna do this, show y'all. I'm gonna do this side right here, show y'all what it do. See that? Yeah. Yeah. Right back clean how she was. Look at that. Look at that. This is why it's always good to have a shimmy. Alright. I'm gonna finish this car. And y'all get y'all a shimmy.